Greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. Today we are discussing again a very important topic, how to convert obstacles into opportunity. Both words has one alphabet, first alphabet common, O for obstacles and O for opportunity. If we see in our life, whoever has succeeded, the success has come after obstacles. That is a normal phenomena. And bigger the obstacles, bigger the opportunity. So in fact, one way of be more successful is, we pray God that give me more bigger obstacles so that I am more successful. Now, the book Magic of Thinking Big, written in 1959 by David Schwartz, also discusses this, how to convert obstacles into opportunity. In the 11th chapter, he has given 13 formula to achieve anything big. And those formulas are time tested, and we must have a look at that book, those who want to achieve more. For me, to convert obstacles into opportunity, it is 4-point formula. WRAP, RAP. W is will. If there is a determination, there are 6 mental abilities given to us by God: perception, memory, will, imagination, reason, and intuition, PM Viri. So out of these 6, the will, the determination to do something, has a great value on whatever we achieve. The second step is a resilience. We have an inner strength to overcome any obstacles. And that resilience we sometimes realize when the obstacles comes in our way. Like suppose there is a big financial loss, or there is a failure in exam. In the next attempt, there will be a very successful marks the student will be getting. Provided, we follow all the 4 steps, there is a will. The third is A for attitude. It is said that attitude decides altitude. So bigger the attitude, bigger will be the altitude. So when we surround ourselves with positive attitude, with positive affirmations, positive people, our success, our obstacles will convert into opportunity. And then the fourth is the persistence. The grit, there is a book. So continuously doing, it is said, the success is the one more attempt. So it is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. So always, like this Neeraj Chopra, who won gold medal in the Olympics, so was not got disheartened by the injury, the shoulder injury which he had. So take Amitabh Bachchan, there was a stage where his house was to be auctioned. So there was a resilience, and today we can see that he is at number 1 in his vocation. Same way we can be Amitabh Bachchan of our profession, the chartered accountancy profession. So persistence is, we keep on doing it and the success will come to us. Now, the principles of persistence are not giving up, work slowly and steadily. We know the story of hare and tortoise to win a race. It is a tortoise who wins the race. One has to motivate oneself. The enthusiasm, motivation is to be driven by the self. We should not indulge in self-pity. We should not compare ourselves with others. Each person is unique. God has made each person. If we work on our passion, our goal, we will be very, very successful. The disciplined life, believing in the self. You are what you think you are. James Allen has also written a book, and we can work like there is a Wallace Waters who has written a book, Science of Getting Rich. So everything starts with a thought, and thought only get converted into reality when we work on our thought and take action. So friends, I would like each viewer to convert obstacles into opportunity by will, resilience, positive attitude, and persistence. Thank you for seeing this video, and do let me know the topics on which you need video, because most of our videos are on the request of the CA members. Thank you.